The Omicron variant is taking a toll on the youngest in the country. The American Academy of Pediatrics says 325,000 children were hospitalized with COVID just last week. KTVU's Jesse Gary has one family's close call and their message for parents.
Who is that?
That's Donnie Rivera.
3-month-old Donnie, still a little groggy from a midday nap, is nonetheless ready to engage the world. It's a sharp contrast to his condition just days ago.
I really truly feel if it wasn't for Trisha at John Muir Medical Center, my baby would not be here.
Natasha Johnson says she just brought her son home after a 5-day stay in a pediatric ICU. She says the trouble started with a Christmas Day family gathering. Although everyone had taken a COVID test, some of the attendees were not vaccinated.
I thought everybody was okay. And then I started noticing after Christmas around Monday that my son wasn't feeling too good.
Johnson eventually took her baby to John Muir, where he tested positive for respiratory syncytial virus and COVID-19. The American Academy of Pediatrics says the number of kids catching COVID increased 64% from the week before Christmas to the week after Christmas.
The new variant is spreads extremely easy, very, very virulent in that regard. And so therefore, even a modest exposure can result in infection. And therefore, given what's going on at this point in the holidays, that is not surprising to see cases skyrocketing.
Donnie deteriorated quickly, eventually needing forced oxygen to breathe. Natasha feared the worst as her son hovered near death's door.
And I asked her, is my baby going to die? And she said, I promise you I would not let your baby die. I said, okay. I threw my hands up. I backed up and said, do what you need to do to save my baby.
That promise was kept. Donnie recovered and rode home Tuesday. For Johnson, the tumultuous 5 days are also a cautionary tale for others about the dangers of COVID, even from family, and especially for young, unvaccinated children.
I do not think people are taking this very serious at all. Say hi.
In San Jose, Jesse Gary, KTVU, Fox 2 News.